Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be seeing how to log in into your Brightspace and access the MedAce content, right? I'll quickly show you how by just going to the web browser. I'm going to open a Chrome web browser, right? And type in office.com, click on sign in, type in the email ID and password for Microsoft Office, right? And then once I type in the right credentials, I'll be signed into the Microsoft Office, right? From there, if you see the 9 dots here, it's called as App Launcher. If you select that, you'll have the drop down menu of all the apps, right? If you don't see SMIMS, SAML application over here, you just click on all apps. If you scroll down, you will be able to see in other section, right? This is the, okay, I think Wilson, okay. Okay, so if you see this application name, this is the name given for your learning management system. I believe yesterday there was a discussion of changing this name, but yeah, you would see the LMS name over here, right? Just select that, and you will be able to log in directly to the homepage, right? To the learning management page, right? Once you are logged in, you will be having the same landing page where you will see the courses you are enrolled to as well as MedAce PY1 and PY2 content, right? So this is today I'm logged in as an instructor, very similar to you, so that I see the course I'm
Yeah,
probably.
Bhakti, can you show them the URL also? Log in through URL as well.
Sure. Yeah. So another way you can, let me finish this, Wilson, and then I'll,
Sure.
yeah.
Yeah.
So this way you will be able to access your MedAce content, PY1 and PY2. Let me show quickly how you can access the PY1 MedAce content, right? So if I want to access content from MedAce PY1, I just have to select that, and I'll be able to see all the content for PY1, right, from MedAce. If I don't see any, probably it will it is still uploading. The content is still being uploaded by the MedAce faculty members, like responsible members, and they should be keep on. You'll see new modules here, right? I see there's a chat. Yeah. Okay. So then there is, if you want to access, let's say for example, let's go to blood, right? I want to use this content. So I just going to select that module. Once I am inside, I'm going to click here to access blood from MedAce content. Once I'm inside that, I'm directed to the content homepage of the blood. So if you see, I'm in MedAce content, right? And I have all the content inside that particular topic, right? Then there are multiple topics inside that blood topic. You see there's a video which is linked, right? So you can play the video very easily. Apologies for the internet issues. Usually won't take time to load, right? So this is how you can, it is rendered on the platform itself. So you will view the video on the platform itself. You don't have to, it will not be open in another tab, right? Blood learning resource. So this, if I go back from here, I can access the next topic, right? I can access all the next interactive videos if I want to, and all the topics under unit 2, right? Then there is also, I believe you have lecture capsules, then the question banks, right? You have multiple choice questions, descriptive choice questions, and so on. So you can easily access the topic, right? If I have to close it, I can close it and I can come back, right? I want to come back to the platform and I want to access another topic very easily. I can access it. If not, I want to go back. I'm just going to select, click on this icon. It will take me to the home page. And I want to go and select the topic from MedAce PY2. I can very easily do that. If I want to go back to my course, which I'm teaching for this particular year, I can just select, for example, if you see here, there is community medicine, right? That's the course for it. You could see the course you are enrolled to. You would have a different course, right? You would see the similar course homepage. So if I want to add in content later on in the future, if you are creating any content by yourself, you can click on content, add in units, add in, upload your contents very easily, right? Or if you want to, let's say, create activities like assignments, discussions, quizzes, you can very easily create by just selecting the assignment tool and creating assignment activities, right? Discussion forum for your course, quizzes for your course. You can very easily do that by going here. I'd also like to mention course admin, which if you select, if you don't see any links in your course homepage, right, you would be able to see everything in under course admin, right? All the links you would require in future, you'll be able to see in course admin. Coming back to course homepage, there is also some widgets you will be able to see. You can use this to create announcements, which would be delivered to all the students enrolled in your course. You can use quick eval to evaluate assignment submission. If you have created an assignment activity in your course and students have submitted assignments, you'll be able to see the pop-up here, right? This widget will be populated. So you will be able to evaluate the assignments submitted by the students. Similarly, if you have populated assignments and quizzes with due dates, you'll be able to see it in your calendar widget. And sign in of Microsoft Teams, you'll be able to access Microsoft Teams. And work to do widget is also very similar. When there is an assignment submission or assignment, you'll be able to access that. Okay, any questions so far? Logging in and accessing the MedAce content? Logging in through your Microsoft Office. Yes.
Ma'am, can we see this thing for the other faculties, or is a common?
In the sense, the MedAce content you're talking about?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
the MedAce content is fixed for all the faculties. It is coming from the MedAce site, right? So they are divided the organ systems in PY1, PY2. Okay. So when you log in, you can see both the courses PY1, PY2 and respective organ system which they have created the content. Okay. And through that you can consume the content. You can use this content during you are teaching to your student. Okay. And you can go through the content. You can showcase the content your teaching while you're teaching the student sessions. And also this content will be available to your student as well. Okay. Based on the years.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And apart from that, you can see a course which you are mapped, right? So if you suppose you're teaching community medicine, you can see a course assigned to you, and within that course, you you as a faculty, you can upload your own content. Okay, you can upload your videos. If there is some learning materials you want to share with your students, you can upload videos, some reference links, and you want to create some interactive content, you can do so by using in this particular course, whatever the course you have been assigned or whatever course you are teaching. Okay, you can post announcement, you can interact with the student, you can give them students some assignment works or some quizzes to attempt. All this you can do in your courses. But the MedAce content is a static where you can only access and consume the content.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, so let me, since there are few other joined in late, let me again go back and show you how to, log in. I'll show with Office, and then I'll show you again with the, with the URL, right? So let me sign out. Let me sign, once it is signed out. Right. So to access your LMS platform, you just have to open a web browser, type in your office.com, right? Or if you're using MS Office application, you just have to sign in, right? Once you sign in, using right credentials of user name and password with your, which would be your email ID and password. You just click on sign in and type in yes. So you will be able to see the Office, MS Office, sorry, Microsoft Office homepage, right? Where if on the left hand top corner, you will find App Launcher. If you select App Launcher, you'll be able to see the name SMIMS underscore SAML application, which is the Brightspace application or the learning management system application. I believe this name is going to change in future, so keep an eye out for that. But yeah, right now this is what it is, and you will be able, once you select it, you'll be able to you'll be directed to the LMS platform. If you don't see that application over here, just select or open all apps. If you scroll down, you'll see that app in others section, right? Here, if you select this, you'll be able to directly go to the LMS platform. This is one way of accessing the learning management system. Another way is typing in the URL. Wilson has already shared the URL in chat box. You just have to copy paste that URL, right? Let me log out of here. Then I'll be able to show you, right? I'll copy paste the URL, select enter. Then here I'm going to go and click login SMIMS with Microsoft account, right? Once I select that, since I was logged in Microsoft account, I was directed to the platform directly, right? Let me quickly go and log out of MS Office, right? Here also, so that you can see. Now on a blank web browser, I'm going to type in the URL, select enter, refresh it, wait. Yeah, to log out, I believe. So everything is logged out. Now I'm going to type in URL, fresh. Yeah, so I'm going to type in select, once I have typed in the copy pasted the URL or typed in the URL, I have the homepage, right? Login homepage. I'm going to select login SMIMS Microsoft account. Here it will ask me the Microsoft account user ID and password. I'm going to type in the right credentials and I'm going to select sign in. I'll be able to sign in here directly. It will not take me to the Office homepage, right? It will directly take me to the LMS homepage. So two ways. This direct sign on is from your Microsoft homepage. Sign in with your Microsoft login credentials, and then just try to find out the LMS platform with App Launcher, and you'll be able to direct it. You'll be able to directly log in to the LMS platform, right? Another way is typing in the URL and selecting login with Microsoft Office. Type in your Office login credentials. You'll be directly logged into and directed to the LMS platform. Once you are on LMS platform, you will see that you have content, the courses in courses widget. You will see the course you're enrolled to, the course you're teaching for that year. Then you will see the MedAce content, right? Divided in PY1 and PY2, the content which you would like to access while teaching your course or as a reference material for your students. You can do that, right? And the same content as Wilson said is available for your students as well, right? So you'll be able to see that. And if you want to add any content in the course you're teaching, you can easily select that particular course and add in the content and add in activities for your course. The training for how to do that is already done, and you can access the videos which is being shared with you, so that you can know if you have any questions in future, you will be able to have that cleared. If not, just drop us an email. We will be able to help you out with adding the content, right? Or add, and if you have any questions, like if you are not able to see anything once you log into your platform, you will be able to do that by just letting the admin person know at your institute, and telling they should be able to solve it just by having the permission set up. If they are also not able to do so, let us drop us an email, and we should be able to clear that out for you. Any questions? Uh, okay, great. I think you've or everybody has understood how to log in to the platform with Microsoft Office, as well as the URL. Please let me know if you have any questions, and you want, or if you want us to show some other tool on the platform, we would be happy to show it to you, right? This is the MedAce content. You can access the content, the question banks, right? Uh, for your access, you go back to the homepage, institution homepage. You'll be able to access MedAce content from PY2. And also be easily access, very easily access the course as well. The course you would be teaching here, it's just an example of community medicine. You would be, when you log in, you will be able to see the course you are teaching for that year, right? We'll be sharing the recording of today's session. If you can download it and keep it with yourself. If you have any questions, you should be able to, watch the video and solve the questions. But yeah, you clear out the doubts and everything. So you should be good to go.
Thank you, Bhakti. I think if there is no questions, we can wind up the sessions. I think. Yeah. Any questions from any of you? We can so answer. I hope you are clear on the login process, accessing the MedAce content, and you can create your own content with your courses. If you have any questions, please ask. Otherwise, we can close the session. We can wind up the session. I think we can close the session, Bhakti.
Okay.
I think thank you so much, everyone, for joining the session. Okay. If you are facing any issues, please reach out to your IT team, and they will be able to solve your access problem, anything related